Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you will be happy and enjoying a healthy life. So viewers, as per my promise, today I am going to share that how and which seeds I am going to plant. So be with me throughout this journey of planting vegetables for this winter season. First of all, I would show you that I have prepared all my seedling trays in smaller pots, bigger pots. I will show you the results in sand, in potting mix and in peat moss, and you will see that it doesn't matter at all that what type of growing medium you are using for saplings. Seeds will sprout by any mean because they have much energy to sprout. They don't need nutrition for sprouting. So here I took peat moss and I am adding some antifungal agent in it, and organic antifungal is nothing better than cinnamon powder. I'm adding almost 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder in this pot. Mix it well. It will actually protect your seeds from fungus and will give maximum success rate. Now I'm going to fill this mixture in all my seedling trays and pots. I'm using different types of pots. These are 3 inches, 4 inches pots. I have covered its drain hole with a hard shell of coconut. And same way I will fill all of these and I'll get them ready. And in the same way I filled my different pots and trays using the same mixture. So here are my trays, and even small pots are ready. These balls are ready, and I have prepared one with the sandy soil also. These trays get soggy and they are so flexible, so we don't want to the roots to be disturbed. See, if I will pick it like this, these air spaces will disturb the roots. So what I did, I just used a basket. It's an old fruit basket. I'm reusing this. I have used a layer of plastic under that so that the extra moisture will be retained through this plastic towards the base of this tray, and it will be easy for me to handle these trays together using this basket also. So let's start sowing the seeds. This is my treasure box of seeds. I have all the seeds with dates here. See, I'm using this from last 4 years, so this time it's a risk that it will sprout, but further growth I'm not sure about what type of it will be, is a strong and healthy plant or not, but let's see, we will try that. And I have tomatoes here. See, in August 20 I have saved these tomatoes, and these are different types of tomatoes. Some are Pakistani tomatoes, some are Turkish tomatoes, and I have one Jordanian tomato here also. This is fresh tomato from my kitchen. I will use these seeds also. Last year also I used some Pakistani tomatoes, which are Pakistani tomato seeds which are treated, and some fresh tomatoes, Jordanian tomatoes. This year I will try Turkish tomatoes also. Let's see what will be the results. I will show you that which vegetables I am growing and how the results will be. Let's see, few we will plant today and few will plant next week, which we have to plant directly in the garden bed. Okay viewers, I'm going to start with some floral seeds. Here I have adenium seeds with me. These ones I prepared, basically prepared means I have separated them. Adenium seeds look like this one, see, my neighbor has given me this one, so I thought of trying them. First you need to remove both the sides of this, and then you will get the seed. Okay, so I have separated all the seeds like this, but one I will try planting like this also. I have no experience with adenium, but still I will try to see that what how it grows. See, here I am covering it with some sand. Just 2 to 3 centimeters of this layer should be there, not more than that. The rule of thumb to cover the seeds is that you have to cover the seed with the layer which is double the thickness of the seed. For example, the seed is 1 centimeter thick, so you have to cover it with the layer which is 2 centimeter thick. That's all, not more than that. Otherwise, seed will not sprout. Now we'll water it. Water it using a sprinkler. Don't water with the hose or with a mug. This will displace your seeds. And after watering, we will keep it under the shade for a few days. Now I am going to plant some seeds in these trays, but those will be mixed and I will write their names later. These seeds are some floral seeds my friend gave me, and I'm trying to use them, and I will just experiment with them what type of seeds these are. These are like this. I've taken seeds out. I'll be growing them. And same way I will plant all the seeds in this tray, different types of. I will make 2 rows of these flowers. Then 2 rows I will make with these spinach leaves, spinach seeds, and then 2 rows I will make with these sweet pea seeds. So in one tray I will grow the saplings of 3 different plants. I'll prepare all my trays and my pots, and then I will tell you what did I plant it. See, I have put all the seeds on their place. These are floral seeds in these 2 lines. This is sweet pea with purple flowers. This is also floral seed. Here I have planted the seedlings of spinach in these 2, but you can see because they are so tiny, so I have planted 2-3 in one cell, and after that I will thin them out. Whichever are weak, I will just discard them. Here in this tray I have planted, again this is tomato tray. I have planted here Turkish tomato. These red seeds are Pakistani tomato, and here I am going to plant the fresh tomato, which is Jordanian tomato. And viewers, don't worry about the color of the seed. Actually, tomato seeds are white in color, but these ones are treated. If you buy them from market, they will come in color, white or black or different colors. They just put chemical on that to preserve them. Otherwise, originally these will be the white seeds. I have stored these seeds from my kitchen, and this one also I am going to plant fresh in front of you. So you will have an idea that if we will save from kitchen, dry them out, if we will buy them from market, or if we will plant them fresh, what happens, what will be the difference? You will see this in the next update, and then you can do accordingly for your plants. So I will fill these 2 lines with these fresh seeds. So see, by just quarter part of this tomato, we got so many seeds. Rest of them I will plant in another pot. Now my pots are not ready for that. And on the other hand, I wanted to show you the chili. This I have dried in my kitchen. This is Omani chili, and you can hear the sound. I think if it is possible, can you hear that? These are so dry. Unless they are dry, they will not sprout. So don't use fresh chili. And if the seeds are smaller, you cannot arrange them well. So I will just sprinkle. We'll use the healthy seedlings, and we will thin out the weaker ones. Now I will tell you about all the seeds which I have planted so far, and then I will cover them up. So we start with this, As I told you about these two trays, that these are floral and spinach. These are all three types of tomatoes. Here I planted Umani green chili. These are peas, green peas. I have just used 5. If they will sprout well, then next month again I will plant 5 so that they will keep on giving me continuous production. These are capsicum. This is green capsicum and this is red capsicum. Then here I have brinjal. These seeds also I saved at home. These capsicum also I saved at home. And this is cauliflower. This I bought from market. I have tried it last year, but it did not give me good results. But this year I'm trying to give it. This year I am planning to give it another try. You can see perlite in that. Because this plant can rot, the seeds can rot because of the moisture, so I have added some perlite to maintain the moisture in this spot. Okay, if you come here, in these two bowls I have lettuce, salad leaves. This is Italian lettuce. Lettuce seeds are so tiny and thin that I cannot arrange them properly, so I have just made 2 circles and I will thin them out according to their health. Now this one is our desi lettuce, which is the Pakistani lettuce. I got these seeds 4 years back. So these are old seeds. Let's see they sprout well or not. Last year they did not sprout. Even Italian lettuce did not give me good results. So this year I am planning to give them another try. They are black because of the treatment only. Otherwise lettuce leaves are white. So now I'm going to cover all these seeds with a thin layer of peat moss. As you have seen, I've covered them with a thin layer of peat moss. Now it's time for some sprinkling, and before that you have to level the soil with a soft hand for all the pots. If you have pots, just tap them, they will be leveled. And if you have trays, you have to level them with hand. Okay viewers, after sprinkling them nicely, we will keep them in shade and on a well-lit place, not in direct sunlight. And if you have birds around, then please cover them with a plastic sheet or with some green net. In next video, I will inshallah show you its update. Keep praying that they will sprout and will grow as healthier plants. Till then, stay blessed, take care, and Allah Hafiz.